guys, it's Andrea, and I already started filming this. Everything looks disheveled. I pulled a sticker up already. I was talking, but then I realized I forgot to adjust the camera brightness, so I hope that this is better than my last plan with me as far as like brightness goes. That one was way too bright, but if not, we'll fix it in the next video. Just a little trial and error because I keep forgetting to bring my laptop over to work. So let's go ahead and go over this week's releases. There are some real good things coming out this week, and I'm so excited. So the first thing, instead of a wiggle this week, we're going to be doing a seal pack. So this has been done for so long, and I just keep forgetting to release it, and I did pull one of these up in the first shot of this video just to kind of show you guys like what the seals look like. And this will be in a bundle form, and I'm going to put them on a discount. I'm gonna discount them for their regular shop price, and then I'm going to mega discount them for the first 48 hours. So these are great for envelope seals or in your planner setups. People get really creative with these, and they do come in a pack of 4, and they're on the matte paper. If you have any of our old matte wiggles, it's the same paper as that, so it's like a really buttery matte, and it's just so pretty. And this is like the outline bow. So again, these will be available as a special price from Wednesday at noon Eastern when new releases go up, to Friday at noon Eastern. And I do have a limited amount of these, so it's not like I have a bazillion of them and can produce them in shop. Once they're sold out, they'll be sold out forever. Then I have some foil releases for this week. So these are just our regular foil items. So I do have 2 scripts for you guys this week. The first one is Therapy, and it does come in all 4 foils. And then the second one is Bill Do, which again comes in all 4 foils. And then last but certainly not least, these just came in like hot off the press, and I wanted to release them ASAP because I want to use them. And I mean, it's never stopped me before, but you guys need them. You need them. You really do. So if you guys watch the May mystery unboxing I am doing for the mini and the ultimate kits, instead of doing like a Munchkin Head freebie, I'm starting to do like these foil freebies, which have a fancy label, a quarter box, and then a half box. Like they're squared off, and they're really nice because they're matte. They're a different material than this matte, and you can actually write on these with like gel pen. I did a whole like swatch test on that video. This one is in Lavender Hollow, and I did use these in my Baby Magic spread, which is a couple videos back, and you can see what they look like. But I like using them for like kind of like a special occasion or a special thing in that day to make it pop. So I'm going to be bringing these to the shop in the main 4 foils. So you have silver, gold, rose gold, and then hollow. And I love the way that the foil pops on the matte paper, and it's so smooth. It's not like a papery matte, it's still like a pretty smooth matte. It's just, it feels a little bit more papery than the old matte, which I feel feels like a little bit like almost vinyl-y, but not. This is definitely like a smooth premium matte. So this is also going to be coming to the shop in Sparkly Hollow, which is kind of rocking my world. So excited to use these in spreads. Let's go on to the sticker kits this week. So every once in a while, whenever mystery art is like super well loved, and I feel like May definitely was, I bring it to the shop in a monthly kit, which I did bring. I think the last mystery I brought to shop was, I think it was January Mystery, which was the birthday one. So this one here is just a really pretty like summer kit. If you guys saw the unboxing, which went up like about a month ago, this is the art, and I just made it into a monthly. So this is for the Erin Condren sized monthly. And then you have the I love this pattern. It's so pretty. So that is the monthly kit. And again, that is for the Erin Condren size monthly layouts. And then there is also the option if you want to add on the deco sidebar, which is a really pretty sky with the surfboards at the bottom, or you can add on the functional. So same layout as normal for that. Then I have 3 kits to show you this week. All these kits came out like this week. All the art is hot off the press. These artists were killing it this week. These 2 kits here were released today. So I had my work cut out for me today. That is why I'm filming this video at 9:30 in the evening. But let's go into this week's releases. So let's start with this one because I'm just like high-key obsessed with this one. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to use this whenever I can go to the zoo when this is all over. I really want to take Bennett to the zoo. I don't think he's ever been to a proper zoo. So super excited about this. So this is called Two Worlds, and it is based off of, inspired by Tarzan, and I am just obsessed with this. I am in love with him. Like, I might just marry him. Jess, who drew this art, Knish Jess, showed me this, I think yesterday, like the outline, and I was like, hello, hubba hubba. And I love the butterflies, and I added like a little sprinkle of water here, which I really loved, and the colors are like fantastic. The pink and yellow and green together are just everything. I mean, all of the kits this week have green in them and pink, which I am like so into. I just think it's so trendy and cute. So again, this is called Two Worlds. This is the ultimate kit, the new format, of course. And then here are the extra full boxes. So this one has the little monkey and the umbrella, and then this one has just like a little planner layout. And then I got really creative, and you can barely read it because it's so small, but it took me forever. But I made like little fake little looking quote boxes, but I just think it's a super cute little extra box. My favorite sheet, half boxes, icons, functional, and then this bottom washi, I die Munchkin Head freebie. And this looks so good with white nails. So I have to remember whenever I film this spread, and who knows how long when, because I am saving it for the zoo. I think if I wasn't going to use it, if I didn't have the gamer kit, I'd probably use it for Brian's birthday because I know he likes Tarzan. I'm pretty sure he likes Tarzan. Where's Hercules? I'm pretty sure it's Tarzan. But I have the gamer kit. I don't know when else I would use that. So I could use it for Nick's birthday, but Nick's birthday and Kirsten's birthday on the same week this week, and Kirsten's not a gamer. So there's that. And I just love this kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. All of the kits this week come in mini and ultimate kits. So yeah, I'm going to use this for the zoo, and I'm just like dying. I'm dying. I need to use it like now. So you have the full boxes, the same deco page here, the mini kit page with the half boxes, the functional page, and then oh, that bottom washi. It's so pretty. It just reminds me of like, I don't know, I just want like a dress in that print, so need it now. So those are the two options as far as kit goes, and then there are some a la carte options. I feel like everything this week has fashion or something. I got a lot going on this week, so that is the ultimate kit and the mini kit for Two Worlds. And then there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is so pretty. So pretty. I love this pink color. It's just beautiful. And then you have the label sampler if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers if you want to add those on. And then I did recolor the girl from Relax because I love her so much. And she's the option for the fashion girl. So I just recolored her and made her match the kit. I love like cheetah or leopard print. I don't know the difference, but I love that. So I needed to add that in there. And I thought it worked without like matching too much. So then let's go into this kit here, which is also just came out today. And this one is called Backyard Paradise, which is a super cute, like stay at home, but it could still just be like really anytime summer backyard kit. So this is just so pretty. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I love the colors in this, and I'm super excited to use it because obviously we're spending a lot of time in the backyard doing a lot of these activities actually. The only thing, Bennett has never done water balloons, but I think he's going to love it, and I have some in the garage for him. There are some exclusive SPC items in here. So the little lizard is exclusive to SPC. This pool floaty here, the unicorn one, is exclusive to SPC. And then this little water gun, which Bennett loves water guns, is exclusive to SPC. And I just love this kit. I just think it's super cute, and it has a lot of different elements of things that we with kids usually like doing outside. These are the extra full boxes. So you have a puppy with a little drink, which is super cute. And then you have a trampoline. I do not have a trampoline, but I'm probably going to use the box. There is the deco page, which has a lot of activities that you could totally use these functionally to mark like things that you're doing outside. You have the headers page with the icons, the functional page, the little things, the half boxes, and last but not least is the gorgeous bottom washi. Oh, and then this is also exclusive to SPC as well. And this is just like a little sidewalk with a hopscotch, and then it says stay safe, stay home. And I thought that was super, super cute. And if you don't want to use that part, you could obviously just cut it and use it as a full box. Or if you wanted to cut and use this one like in the spread and then this one as your quote box, you could do that as well. So super, super cute, but I like it as a tall box. I think it's gonna look really cute in the sidebar. So that is the ultimate kit. The mini kit still has the same freebie, of course. So that's a really, really good freebie, the tall box. So like I said, this one does come in an ultimate kit. I feel like I have hair everywhere this week. I don't know what is going on. Okay. Okay, so that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it also does come as a mini kit, and then that one has the same freebie if you order the mini kit. And then there are some a la carte options. So you do have the option for the 15mm strip, the label samplers, the glitter headers. There's also then the fashion girls, which I did color change their bathing suits. And I color changed, I think, yeah, the next one I have like different colors for all the girls as well as far as their outfits go, which I think just kind of like you could use like multiple then and it doesn't look like the same girl. And then there is also the like little girls with the water balloons, and then the little boys with the blow up like pool thing, like what is that called, a bounce house, and then the little lizard, which the lizard, the reasoning for that is Bennett loves those little lizards. We have them all over the place in our backyard, of course, and Bennett is like obsessed with them, so I wanted to do a lizard ode to him. Then last but not least, we have Taco Bell. This is such cute. Oh, it reminds me of Rainy Street in Austin, and it just reminds me of Austin just in general. And I did color change this a little bit to make it a little bit more like pastel, which I love. And I love these girls. I just think they're super cute. And the Gucci purse and these glasses, and it's just all a vibe. It reminds me also then of like Velvet Taco, how they like display their tacos whenever they like hand them out, even though that's not a taco truck. But I just love this kit. I just think it's super cute, and I love the colors in it. They're just so like light and pretty, and I just think it works. Then down here you also have an extra box with the extra like guac, and then also another planner box, which I just needed to do like the leopard on there. And then you have like the little sheet of tacos and the kit and some washi and a pen. I'm just here for it. You have your deco page, which again, just like all functional deco again. You have the functional page, the half boxes page. How pretty are these colors? Leans a lot on the green, but I just think with the pink and the gray, it's just so good. And then the bottom washi, which just imagine it with that. I'm here for it. Munchkin Head freebie. Oh, so pretty. I love cheetah print, especially in like fun colors. Ugh. Here for it. Again, this also does come in a mini kit, same format as the other ones, just obviously with this colors and art and stuff. So again, Taco Bell Ultimate, Taco Bell Mini, 15mm strip if you want to add that on, label sampler if you want to add that on, glitter headers if you want to add that on, and last but not least, the fashion girls. And like I said, I did change their like little romper dress just to kind of make it look different, and I think they all look super cute in all these different colors, and they match the kit perfectly. So that is everything for this week. So many releases. Our new releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. Along with that seal pack will be on special pricing for that 48 hours. So we have Taco Bell, we have Backyard Paradise. Where the heck did I was like, I lost a kit. Two Worlds, which, oh my god, so pretty. And I love Tarzan. Tarzan's soundtrack is like one of my favorite things ever. I was singing it all day today. And then there's also the new monthly, and then the seal pack, like I said, will be on super discount. So the last thing is the extender boxes that are in shop in the glossy paper that we produce in-house are going to be discontinuing. So if you guys prefer them in a glossy, definitely stock up on those, because we will not be bringing them back. We're going to be stocking them in this premium matte. It's so nice. I opened a box of, not a box, but like a chunk. They come in chunks like this, a chunk of the extenders, and just like touch them, and I was like, oh my god, these are so nice. So we are going to be discontinuing the glossy ones to replace them with the like premium matte ones, and oh, it's so nice. But just want to give you guys a heads up in case you prefer the glossy, definitely stock up on those. But I'll give you guys a couple of weeks before I do that, just so that you have time to purchase if you guys prefer the glossy. So that's everything this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I am so excited. I am going to try and squeeze all these kits into my summer. If not, I might do some of them in like the fall. But that is everything, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.